John, you won't believe this. I taught Finny how to talk.
That's absurd. You barely know how to speak. Plus, he's a cat, Pat.
No, I'm serious. Watch. Uncle! Did you hear him?
No. He just meowed. Cats meow.
No, he said uncle. Watch, Finny. Say hello, Uncle Johnny. Help me.
Pat, you know what? I'm worried about you. Maybe take a few days off. Have a vacation. Just, get away.
I can talk. Call police. Fine, whatever. Let's go home, Finny. No!